Hello my friend, welcome to my blog. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how was my day today. Okay, because that is I thought I should talk about this. So today actually I woke up at 8 o'clock. Why I woke up 8 o'clock so late? So the thing is that 2 days, like since 2 days, yeah, from 2 days I have been itching in my ears. Okay, and I have been scratching the ears from inside my finger with my finger and earbug. Okay, actually I didn't know the fact. Okay, so I have been itching, I have been scratching it continuously because I felt itching inside my ear. So yesterday I was feeling too much pain in my both ears, okay, from inside. So that's why today I got up late 8 o'clock because I was not feeling good. Then I thought I should go to hospital and I see the doctor. Then after having breakfast, I went to I went to subdivisional hospital that is in subdivisional. Okay, so I went to the hospital. Okay, so I caught the bus. Okay, then I reached that hospital at 11 o'clock. Then I then I got my prescription slip made. Okay, in the then I got prescription slip made. Okay, and I went straight to the doctor cabin. Okay, and I greeted to doctor. Good morning, sir. Then he said, "What is the problem?" So I explained my problem with the doctor that I have been itching in my ears inside for 2 days. Okay. Then doctor actually checked my ears, both ears from inside with the light. Okay. I don't know that instrument. So in that instrument, he actually checked my both ear and he said, it's an infection. So you got an infection in your ears. So he asked me, uh, were you scratching your ears with the fingers or something earbug? Then I shocked. How did he know? Then I said, yes, sir. I was using my finger and earbug to scratch my ears from inside. Then he said, don't use earbug and don't use finger to scratch your ears from inside. Okay, because your ear is very sensitive part. Okay, from inside. So if you do this, then it will cause a big problem. So he actually prescribed me some medicine. I just I said to the doctor that doctors, please, I agree with your point, and I will not scratch my ear with finger, but prescribe me some medicine that I will not feel itchy itching from the inside of my ears. Then he said, okay, no problem. So because I was feeling pain from this side, like from the outside of this side. Okay, so it was inflammations and infection in the ears. Okay, so so I took a medicine, okay, from the medical store. Okay, so I took a medicine. Then I actually took one dose there in hospital because I was feeling pain, okay, in my ears. And doctor also warned me that don't do this again, okay, otherwise you will lost your hearing. Okay, then I said, it's okay, no, it's okay, yes doctor, I will not. I didn't know about this because I have been using earbug for a long time. Okay, but now I will not use that such kind of things to scratch ears. If I have the scratch, okay, in the future, then I will scratch this like this, but not put finger inside the ear. Then actually it took only half an hour in the hospital. Okay, then I thanked to the doctor to then I thanked to the doctor to give me such a good advice. to give me such a good advice. And after that, I went to bank, State Bank of India, and I deposited some cash in my account, and then I caught the bus. Okay, and I reached at my home. So that was today. So, but now I can say now I'm feeling better now. So the pain is reducing after 2 day dose. Okay, and now feeling better. So I would So I want to tell you one thing. If you are doing if you are using earbug, yeah, you can. If you scratch your ear from the finger, then don't do this mistake. Okay, don't do this mistake. Don't use earbug and such kind of other things to scratch the ear because it's very sensitive. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, if you like my thought, if you like my English practice blog, then please like, share, and subscribe. And also comment me, was my information valuable or not? Take care.